We're back at the CP now. We're about to head out for Operation Castle Wolfenstein, which is basically we're going to move up as deep into enemy territory as possible, set up a building, make it Castle Wolfenstein, and lure them in with Russian techno music. So hopefully they take the bait. If not, we have Garber. Garber will run out in his underwear and entice them with his ass. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ride with you guys so that way I can just navigate us in. Let's roll. Let's do this.
Yeah. Are we going to Texas?
Let me see.
Wait, we're going to E21?
Yeah.
No, then we're going up the other street, the one.
We're going up
Virginia?
This one, Virginia. Yeah.
Okay.
Up Virginia and then stop right before Washington.
Okay.
All right, let's go. We are the lead vehicle. Okay, right turn. Keep going. Our target is that two-story building. Oh no, wait, never mind. This is f***ing too far. Okay, all right, dismount. Hold this position. Oh no. It. All right, let's go. Occupy these buildings. Okay. The f***ing megaphone.
What's going on?
Occupy these buildings. Just start setting up. Start setting up. This one and the next one, the two-story. Try to get into the two-story. Keep moving right to the two-story.
Aaron, this way.
All right. Hey, do you want to have your gun truck? Your gun truck can stay, or it can RTB, or we can have it hold in here as support.
What do you need?
It'd be good to have support.
RTB or hang out and give us support.
All right, grab a room and just fortify. Hey, help Josh.
Yeah.
All right, hey, everyone that's here, hold these buildings. Vince, hold up in that building. What's up?
There's an Audi platoon just on the other side of the street.
Oh, good. Okay.
I mean, they're f***ing 200 meters on that side of the street.
Okay. All right.
I'm pretty sure.
Hey, what do you think? Just occupy 2 stories?
Let's push that way. See if we can trap them on the other side of Texas.
Okay.
And then we'll try to push them off that hill and kill them all.
Okay. Hey, everyone in the 2 story. F it.
They're gonna hold.
Okay. Yeah. Get in the 2 story. All right. All right. So Jim said that they're over there.
Yeah.
Over by Texas, 200 meters away. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is good though. We need to start fortifying.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna find the most anchory guys to put this shit.
What the f is shooting? Oh, it's f***ing Josh. Hey, start fortifying your positions. Wait, what the fuck? Where are they?
Where are they?
Is that Josh?
Yeah, that one.
Save your ammo. Where is that dude, Josh?
He's in front of the wall on the right side there.
Okay.
Here I come.
He's in that low ground.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha.
He opened in the low ground.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Hey, just head up to the second story, see if you can get a shot on that dude.
Alright, so the target is across the street and on a corner. So we're going to just immediately go across the street, basically move through the building.
Okay. Okay.
We have
Which build? Is it a 2-story or is it a single story?
the one.
Okay.
This guy, he knows the layout, so he's basically going to lead us.
Okay, let's do it.
As soon as he starts opening the car.
Hey, assault on the go.
Go. Go, I got you guys covered. Go. There it is. Huh. Just keep pushing forward. Like, stay to the right. Shh. The fucking 50 cals fly across the street. Hey, go out and to the right. Yeah, it's on the back of a Jeep.
We'll probably hear the 50 shooting. The 50 will probably shoot at them, and that'll be a good indicator we need to move.
Okay.
There's something.
Okay, let's do this. Watch the rear. Come on, Bob. So as soon as they start lining up, move across. Go! Contact front! Spread out, building. get back. He's got a tag round. He's got a tag round. Bounding, 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 bounding.
Getting security while we stay our guy back. Right there to the front.
Go, go, go. Get our guys up. Get our guys up. Squad moving left to right across the street. What's up? Oh shit, okay. Hey, they're on the other side of the street. Hey, they're coming in from this side. They're on that side of the street already. So we're falling back to Castle?
Sounds like it. You want to keep pushing? I mean, I can push it, but we're pretty deep.
I say we just hold here, man. Just
hold?
yeah.
Here! We got it!
Hey, do you want to call your guys and tell them to bring here? We'll hold it.
We got it. We took him out.
Crossing the road.
What do you want?
Crossing going up.
300 feet out.
There's one for me.
Well, it's too now. Now we have to. Now we have to hold. Spread out. Spread out. Spread out.
Hey, if we cross here, we'll get back.
All right. Hey, Chris. Chris, let's go, man. Let's just get back. Let's get back. Oh, never mind. It's too late. It's too late. We're holding. We're holding.
Right there.
Hey, if you guys want to go, we'll stay. Can I turn the 50 cal on them?
No.
Man, you're no fun, Brian.
You don't have paperwork for it.
I've got 2 deployments.
Are we able to spread out like to the rear?
Probably. Fall back, but you want to? As soon as we fall back, they retake the 50 and use it against us.
True. Well, I mean, we can't like hold it or anything, but.
No, but it's just more resources away from them. As long as we hold it.
Chris, I'm gonna get inside the building.
Okay, go.
Careful, fire right here, fire. I just got it.
You can see them right here.
See, like this building right here that makes an L. Is anyone over there?
I'm not sure. That's sometimes
Like, yeah, we need to. Here, you can go in through here.
Hey, some dude over here is asking us to push in this building. We got some of our guys outside that are just got healed.
Okay, no. Bring everyone back in here and like spread out through this compound.
Well, this area is all like covered.
Okay, come this way so that way we can get shots that way. All right, cool. Castle Wolfenstein.
Yeah, right here on this corner.
Hang on, he's way out of range. Like I don't want to. Oh, this guy's not though. Oh, they're coming up. Hey, they're coming down the road. They're coming straight down the road in their underwear. It's Mark in his underwear.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yo, Mark, go put some clothes on.
Is that all you're working with?
Oh.
What?
Is that friendly?
Oh, it's friendly. Tier 12, you idiots. Woo! Yeah. Drive by right at the great time. All right, hey. Yo, Third squad, Operation Castle Wolfenstein this building.
On the left.
And what? Castle Wolfenstein. Here, just watch this sector.
Okay.
I'm watching it with you from the other room.
Okay.
You got smoke on the left. They're coming up.
Hey, Chris, can you get a PKM to come over here?
Where's Dave? Dave! Jet, where do you want this PK?
Over here, over here, over here. They're gonna come right down this way. From where I am, the 12, that pink building corner, they're massing there.
Gotcha.
Shipping left! Jet, to your left!
What are these guys? Is that NATO?
That's NATO, that's NATO.
Eric's talking about falling back.
Look, right here, right here, right here. Hey, PKM guy.
Hurry up.
Hurry, come here. Hurry. All right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Get wrecked, mate!
Krusha!
Dead guy walking.
No, that wasn't a dead guy.
They're supposed to fall down, but they're not.
Hey, Spencer's in this red building.
I don't know. Reloading. Oh, those guys are dead.
They're pushing us on the left pretty hard now, too.
I just saw Miguel over there on the left side, on the other side of the street.
No, maybe let's just...
Okay, which way do you want to fall? Fall back this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, dude.
Oh, they're shooting. All right, hey, start going this way. Start going that way. We're bounding back.
All right.
Hey, we're bounding back.
All right.
Bound back.
Landed a tag in that road.
Okay, let's go. Let's bound back.
I'll choke through these holes.
Okay. Are we going down? Are we going back across the street? Chris, where are we bounding to now? Because like we got to do something.
Yeah, we're gonna get overrun.
We're losing ground. Come on, let's go.
Over here. Back door.
All right, let's go. Everyone, let's go.
Most half of them are dead.
Get us the out of here. Yeah, we're getting in and leaving.
There's plenty of Aussies.
There's plenty of dudes. Like, let's go.
What do you guys want to do? Exfil? Yeah. Exfil.
Go.
No medic? Get in.
Go. You just gotta jump up.
Get on.
Dude, like, we need to go now, man.
Yeah. Get on.
Dude, we're like driving into their fire.
I know. That's them on the other side of those buildings. Yeah, we just pushed them back out of the paint. Go. Oh, please pull forward. Yeah, we're in their firing line. Woo! You Gordon! Here's my wedding present!
Oh, sh**. Where the f did that come from?
Hey, stay down.
Whoa. Oh, sh**.
Right. I'm so sorry. Get up now. Okay, there.
I'm dead anyways. I got my first wound.
Oh my God.
I wanted to go back to the... Here's my body shield.
Where do you guys want to go, Jet? Where do you guys want to go?
Back to the CP.
CP.
We survived it, Bob.
We got out.
I mean, Sergey.
Yeah.
Sergey, we survived.
Call me Carl.